What is going on, people? I thought I would share a little bit more details about our Metro GTI project. I put this one up on our socials and done a few little threads on it, and I was shocked at how many people were interested in this little car. So I'm going to do a quick walk around the shell, quick walk around the main components, and obviously I'll do my big vlogs on it as the months and years go by. So there's going to be a big series on this vehicle. So let me do a quick walk around of it and tell you why it's special, and go from there. All right, but thank you everybody that is here and watching and following. I guess cars like this kind of they take us all back to a certain period, isn't it? Whether it be your mum, whether it be your dad, your cousin had one, or whoever. But what an awesome little thing. And in this case, 36,000 miles. So let's have a walk around it. Let's flip the camera around and have a walk around it. So here she is. Let's have a look at the, see if I can get this in there. If you have a look in there, 36,345. So here's the shell. I'm currently working through the correction stages on this. So I've done the front side and the back, front driver side and the back. So I've still got the other side to do. Engine bay. So look at this, super clean engine bay. Look at that, fantastic. Got the MEMS 3, 1.8 VVC as found in the Lotuses, the Lotus Elise, the ZR, and again, really neat packaging. What I love about these, they literally bolt straight in. This complete car is polybushed. Got the PG1 gearbox with the Type B Torsen limited slip differential. So this is a proper driver's car, 175 brake horsepower in a car that probably weighs, you know, sub 750 kilograms. It's seriously fast. So my aim is to really restore up what is already an amazing shell. I mean, as you can see, but obviously it's 36 years old. It's a Metro. So we've got little bits of surface rust, nothing serious at all. You know, these are kind of evident over the car where little chips have happened and then there's water kind of creeping. But again, I mean, it's literally time warp condition. Have a look under the arches. As you can see, it's so clean. And while we're here, check out this rear coilover conversion. So all the hydro gas has gone. Proper coilovers. Look how well that's been done. So the whole front subframe is MGTF. So it's got MGTF front coilovers. And, you know, again, great condition. The ancillaries are a little bit rusty, which you'd expect. So we'll be taking all this off and getting it powder coated. But the rest of it is absolutely immaculate. The actual shell is immaculate. Interior comprises of these two bucket seats, proper FIA certified, really neatly done interior. And look at the floor. The floor is just unbelievable, so clean, no rust anywhere, proper welded in cage and then bolted to the floor. I'm going to get this dash flopped, do something with these door cards. Because obviously the speakers won't fit with the cage here, so I need to do something with that. And if I show you the rear view, so there's the safety devices cage that crosses over. Battery is here with quick release terminals, which I've just put on there. We've secured it with this and used, believe it or not, washing machine feet that, you know, raise up and down the washing machine to create a quick release tab for that. But here's the back, there's the turrets, so well done. So this is, you know, you've got literally coilover units on each corner. The car feels very quick and very balanced. Again, immaculate floor. Look at the floor, absolutely immaculate. It's for a Metro shell, this is incredible. So actually, what did turn out to be a bit of a fun thing to just buy has actually turned into a real project for us to restore, because I think it's absolutely worth it. Let's have a look underneath, just so you can get an idea. I don't think you're going to be able to see much, but yeah, you can. Look how clean it is, guys. Look how clean it is. Really, really clean. And there she is. So I'll be working down the correction on this side. And then we're just going to enjoy it really for this year. Can't wait to get to a lot of the shows, classic car shows. And then next year I'll start stripping the underneath, getting those little bits of paintwork sorted, and PPF in it and whatever I want to do, and just driving and enjoying this awesome machine.